You are going to love the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, CD player, heated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.